Welcome to our detailed comparison of the ASUS Prime B550-PLUS and the ASUS ROG Strix B850-A gaming motherboards. In this video, we will delve into the key specifications and features of both motherboards, helping you decide which one suits your needs best. The B550-PLUS is designed for budget-conscious gamers and users looking for solid performance, while the B850-A targets high-end users seeking the latest technology and features. Let's get started. The ASUS Prime B550-PLUS features the B550 chipset and is compatible with AMD Ryzen 3000 and 5000 series processors, making it a solid choice for mid-range builds. In contrast, the ASUS ROG Strix B850-A gaming motherboard utilizes the B850 chipset designed for the latest AMD Ryzen 7000 series and future generations, providing a more advanced platform for high-performance computing. When it comes to memory support, the B550-PLUS accommodates DDR4 RAM with a maximum capacity of 128 GB, which is sufficient for most gaming and productivity tasks. On the other hand, the B850-A supports the newer DDR5 technology, allowing for up to 192 GB of RAM, which is ideal for high-end gaming and intensive applications, ensuring faster speeds and improved performance. In terms of networking, the ASUS Prime B550-PLUS offers a standard 1 gigabit LAN connection, which is adequate for most users. However, the ASUS ROG Strix B850-A gaming motherboard takes it a step further with a 2.5G LAN connection and built-in Wi-Fi 7, providing faster and more reliable internet connectivity, which is essential for competitive gaming and streaming. In conclusion, the choice between the ASUS Prime B550-PLUS and the ASUS ROG Strix B850-A gaming motherboard ultimately depends on your budget and performance needs. The B550-PLUS is a fantastic value for those looking to build a capable system without breaking the bank, while the B850-A is perfect for enthusiasts seeking the latest technology and maximum performance. If you found this comparison helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more content.